everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making some chicken fajitas grilled. I actually have the grill going on. We're also going to make some white rice. And I already have going some 2 beans, Charro beans, which consists of the red kidney beans and some Pinto beans. They're sauteed with onions, tomatoes, chiles, cilantro. Anyways, I'm going to do a third side, which is going to be squash and veggies, because I think it complements the chicken. We're going to cut it. We're going to cut this. It's just a zucchini, some julienne or green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and onions. So, anyways, and I'm going to add a little bit of. This is just some tomatoes, some fire roasted tomatoes, just for taste. Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to cut up the squash, and what we're going to do, we're going to cut off the ends here. We're cutting off the ends because they don't taste good. So normally I cut this in half, so you can cut it in half yourself the easiest way. And again, you want those vegetables to go in to accompany the dish, so the chicken, fajitas, the white rice, and the beans. So you cut them in half, then you cut them in half again. And all you're gonna do here for this one, you're just gonna cut them in pieces like this. Okay, and then the next one, do the same thing. Cut it in half. Sure you don't cut your fingers when you're cutting through the zucchini. This is a fresh zucchini. It's very good with calabacita or with any type of chicken. Anyways, so we're gonna put it all here in the Oops, jumping all over the place. Sorry about that. Anyways, once you have this done, what you're going to want to do is bring this over here. I'm going to put a little bit of oil here in this. This is a chicken fajita we're going to be grilling. So I'm going to put this over here, away from the chicken, from the vegetables. And then we're going to do this. So you put about a tablespoon of oil. That's all. It's enough to saute your vegetables. You don't want them to be too soggy. Move the oil around, make sure that the bottom of your pan is coated and it's hot. So what you're going to do here, you're going to put the green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and the onions. Here you're going to do salt, a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's go. A little pepper. A little bit of onion powder. Gives it a good flavor. And one more thing is some garlic powder. That's it. You're going to let it cook for a little bit until the veggies caramelize a little bit. You don't want them too soggy. And you want your heat about 4 or 5 on the knob here. From 0 to 10, you probably want to do it halfway. Hear them sizzle, which is a good sign. Hear them sizzle, you gotta let them cook for a little bit. And the smell is, man, I wish you were here to just get that smell. It's smelling real good right now. You really don't want to mess with them too much. Just let them cook for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes. what you want to do is taste the consistency of the onion or the crunch of the onion or the bell peppers. And then, because you got to remember, when you take them out of the pan, they're still going to be cooking. So keep that in mind. You can see some of this onion, it's already changing a little bit color, getting caramelized, a little bit of brown, a little bit of yellowish. That's a good sign. Look at that, being translucent. We'll give it 1 more minute or so, and then we're going to put it in a bowl. What we want to do is also, next is going to be like the zucchini. That comes after this. So, we're also going to be cooking some rice, some white rice, so I have it ready here. And you can always, this dish goes well with corn tortillas. So I think the best thing to do with corn tortillas, if you want to eat healthy, is steam them in the microwave, or you can do them on the grill. It's up to you. Oh man, the smell that's coming out of these onions is tremendous. It's making me hungry, to be honest with you. I think we need to put it. I think it's ready to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it back in the bowl. Doesn't matter. Let's put it back in this bowl right here. And once that's ready, we're going to continue with the same process with the squash. The reason why I do the squash separate from the vegetables, the bell peppers, onions, is because these have more water consistency and they tend to mush up. So you don't want to, they cook a little bit different than the other vegetables. So here we go. Same pan, put them in there. You know, try to salt and pepper them. A little bit of pepper, not too much, a little bit of salt. Okay, that's all you need. What we're going to do here with this zucchini is we're going to add also, once once they're cooked, maybe 10 to 20% cooked, we're going to put some tomatoes. Tomatoes is just going to give it that sweet acid flavor to go with all the veggies. Let's see. Here we go. Once they're cooked like that, they're ready to go. All you can do is put a little bit of these right here, this fire roasted tomatoes. You really don't need a lot of, they have a lot of flavor, so you don't really need a lot of salt and pepper. Just gonna let them cook here. Let it cook, combine, or let them be combined and let them mix together to where they become one flavor, one infusion. Once you have it to this consistency right here, or you can try it. Perfect one. You're gonna put back the peppers, onions, in the same dish. You're gonna combine it. Look at this, all this goodness. You can make yourself a good taco with all these veggies. Look at all these colors too. Great color. And it's very healthy for you. After about 2 minutes or so, you don't want to overcook them. They should be ready to go. Give it about 30 seconds and then we'll pull them out the pan and put them in the bowl. Right? And once they're cooked, they're ready to go. We're going to put them in the same bowl. This looks delicious. It smells is very, very good. I think I'm going to need a bigger bowl. That's okay. And there you have it. Next is going to be, we're going to cook the white rice. We need this is about maybe 3/4 of a cup of white rice, long grain. We're going to put some canola oil, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons. Depends on the amount of rice you're going to be doing. I like the white rice here. I usually do Mexican rice, but I'm doing the white rice because we have a lot of flavors going on with the 2-bean, Charro beans. We have the calabacita with sauteed onions and peppers. We're gonna do the white rice to complement those flavors, those seasonings. And then we're gonna be doing the grilled chicken. But anyways, here's the white rice. Put it in. We're gonna try to kind of cook it just a little bit. And too much. Just kind of brown it here a little bit. What I'm trying to do is cook I can go, man, I have so many options with rice that I can put in onions and garlic, fresh onions, fresh garlic, serrano peppers, I mean, celery, whatever the case is. But I'm gonna go very mild, very light, because everything else is heavy. So this is just gonna be very simple, white rice with some garlic powder, onion powder, chicken bouillon, salt and pepper. That's it, a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna put the water in. The white rice. Thicken this a little bit more. A little bit more water. So this is first, I almost want to double. I do it by eye, I'm sorry. But to this, you're gonna add some chicken bouillon. Oh, hold on, I have one that's already open. So the chicken bouillon will give you that flavor that you need. So you do maybe a teaspoon and a half of chicken bouillon. To that, you're also going to add some onion powder, maybe half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Just a little bit, quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of fresh pepper. That's all you need. So we're just gonna let this come to a boil. We're gonna put it on high. So here, once all the ingredients are in, the liquid's in, the water's in, the seasoning, the chicken bouillon's in, the salt and the pepper in, onion and garlic, like I mentioned. You're gonna let it mix it for a little bit until it goes back up as a rolling boil. Once you do a rolling boil, we're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna let it cook. There it comes. You see the bubbles happening? Once you see that, you kind of want to taste it too. So let me see. Hold on. Taste it for flavor. Oh man, it's delicious. Put the lid on and forget about it. So let it simmer there for about, maybe lower your heat first to about 3.5, 4. Put the lid on, you're gonna put the timer to maybe, let's go with 30 minutes. Okay. And just leave it, don't even lift up the lid or anything, let it cook. Yeah, it's gonna be a very creamy consistency. So anyways, it'll be delicious. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go outside to the grill. We're gonna cook this beef fajitas, chicken fajitas. You can buy them at your local supermarket, at your meat market. Anyways, I bought this from my local grocery store. So I'm gonna go outside. We're outside on the grill. I've already preheated, the grill, and it's ready to go. What you're gonna do is just put all your. I'm cooking chicken thighs because I think chicken thigh meat for beef fajitas are the best. They have a very good flavor, and they stay moist versus the chicken breast. But you can do either or. You like chicken breast better than chicken thigh meat, by all means. This is just seasoned with a little bit of fajita seasoning, a little bit of salt and pepper. Here we go, that's it. That's what you want to do. You want to lay them down like this flat, and then give them some time to cook. What we're going to do is close the lid for a little bit, maybe for like 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and check them out. So after about 5 or 6 minutes of cooking, check your cooking very nicely. We're going to turn them over. Looking nice, looking good grill marks. What we're going to do is cook them for another 5, 6, maybe 7 minutes. We'll check them, and then we'll bring them inside and try to make sure that everything else is cooked and do the plate presentation. What a beautiful day to be outside grilling, and I hope you guys, if you ever get a chance to go outside and grill, we're in San Antonio, Texas, 91 degrees outside, man. Beautiful, beautiful day. Get out and smell the fresh air, you know what I'm saying? So what you want to do now is, now that the chicken has been grilling for about 7 to 10 minutes. It all depends on you. But you want to make sure that it's got no blood or anything like that, and it's cooked for, there's no signs of any redness. Anyways, these are perfectly done. I already cooked them for about 25 minutes, about 12 minutes, 13 minutes on each side. So we're going to take them out, and we're going to put them on a plate. And you can almost smell them. Oh my gosh, I'm just getting so hungry. Look at this delicious chicken. Can't wait for us to eat dinner. Stay tuned. And we got the grilled chicken ready to go, cooked. We're also looking at this rice. It's it cooked very nicely. Oops, right. The veggies are ready to go, and then the beans are ready to go. The beans, Charro beans. So when we come back, we're gonna plate it. We're gonna taste it, see how it tastes like. So one of the last things you want to do is let the chicken rest, like all meats. Let it rest for about 5-6 minutes, so all the juices can be kept together inside the protein, inside the meat, and it can be juicy. Anyways, this is how I like to cut my meat, and you can leave it whole if you want to, but I just cut the middle and then cut it against the grain. As you can see, this it's cooked real good. Look at that, grilled to perfection. It's got some good grill marks. So I know you guys wish you were here tasting this delicious chicken. Oh my goodness, can't wait. I'm ready to dive in and have a piece of this meat. Anyways, let me see how it came out. Take a little piece, try it. Here's a little piece. Oh my goodness, melting your mouth. Anyways, the last thing you want to do is we're gonna get this meat along with all the other sides, make ourselves a plate, and start eating. It's done and cooked. We're gonna plate. I'm gonna make myself a plate. Put some chicken, some of this chicken fajita that I cut. I'll put it here in the pan so it can stay warm. It's real nice, real good. I'm also gonna, this is the white rice. It's real good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. We're gonna put some right here. Look at this, nice and fluffy. A little bit more because I love rice. And then we're gonna put some of these veggies that we cooked earlier. If you remember, we sauteed them in a little bit of oil. It tastes so good. It goes very well with the rice and the chicken. Okay, and the last thing is we're gonna do is get a little bit of this, kind of mix it up a little bit. This is a 2-bean, pinto beans, red kidney beans, charro beans. So it's got some some peppers, onions, garlic, real good flavors, cilantro in there, a little bit more. You'll love this. Anyways, and I made myself a little bit of guacamole, just very simple with a little bit of salt to give a good flavor. We're gonna put some here, because I like to make a little taco with it. Just put it right in the middle, just like that, and we're ready to eat with corn tortillas. Now that we're here, the magic time has come to make yourself a little taco. What we're gonna do is get I like to get some chicken fajitas, just put it here. Little strips of the chicken fajita, the grill one that we cooked earlier. Put a little bit of this guacamole right here. Spread it around just here like a little bit. And put a little bit of this veggies right here, the zucchini, the peppers, a little bit of onion. Perfect. We fold it. Let's see what it tastes like. Buen provecho. Man. Everything, all the flavors come together. Corn tortilla, the creamy guacamole helps it. Put it all together. Great seasoning. Let me taste the white rice. It's creamy, great seasoning, not too salty, not too peppery. The last thing is these delicious red kidney beans and pinto beans, charro beans. Oh man, great meal. I hope that you guys make it. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my video, and also click on the notification button so you can stay tuned for further videos on my upcoming channel. Thank you and see you next time.